Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use my free critical power / critical speed calculator. So first of all, you're going to need to choose your method. You can use critical power, which is watts in the Y, time in the X. You can use time trial data, which is using distance over time, or you can use constant work rate, testing data, or GPS data, which is speed over time. So for this example, I'm going to be using a time trial. So we can go 600 meters, athlete lasted 98 seconds. Then 800 meters, and maybe they lasted or they ran it in 135 seconds. So as you can see, it's calculated my critical speed in meters per second and my d prime in meters. As far as the two parameters go, that's pretty much it. The last little thing that this calculator can do that's different from other calculators that I've seen anyway, is that you can select various things like different variables, and it'll calculate those for you. So if I wanted to know how long it takes somebody to fatigue at a certain, basically, okay, let's say I wanted to have the person run at a certain speed, and I said, okay, how long is it going to take you to get tired? So let's say I type in 6 meters per second. It's going to say that's how long it'll take that person to fatigue. Keep in mind, this number needs to be beyond critical speed, otherwise this won't work. So if I want to calculate time for 5,000 meters, like a 5K, then it tells me that that person will last around 15 minutes, or run a time of about 15 minutes. So if you want to get a copy of this, feel free to message me, and I'll send it to you for free. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video.